This demonstration provides information about the various track payments reports available to sellers in Amazon.in. Hi, I am a Seller Central expert and I help sellers with their queries on Seller Central. After completion of this module, you will be able to identify information available in summary reports, transaction reports, and settlement reports in your account. Download summary, transaction, and settlement reports. Tina, a registered seller with Amazon.in, would like to know the details of payments and transactions in her account. To view details of your payments, you can refer to the Payments page of Seller Central. To access the Payments page on the Amazon Seller Central homepage, expand the Reports menu. Then click the Payments option. The Payments page enables you to view details of electronic transactions or cash on delivery transactions. For both of these transactions, you can view details of your payments using the Statement View, Transaction View, All Statements, and Data Range Reports tabs. Note: the Find a Transaction search box enables you view the credit, fees, and adjustments for a particular order by entering the order number. The Statement View tab is displayed by default. This tab displays a summary of your account for a particular period. The Beginning Balance section displays the balance in your account at the beginning of the settlement period, which reflects either undisbursed funds or previous negative settlements. The Closing Balance section displays the balance in your account at the end of the settlement period. The Statement View tab also provides details about orders total, refunds total, and the processing fees applicable for a particular period and its due date. The Transaction View tab displays a summary of your account transactions since the last settlement period up until the prior day's close. The Filter and Search options available enable you to modify the transaction summary view. The Filter View By option enables you specify the type of transaction to display, such as all transaction types, order payment, refund, chargeback refund, FBA inventory liquidation, and service fees. The Within option enables you to view transactions for a particular date range. The All Statements tab provides a link to your past settlement reports and a summary of each settlement. You can view a summary of your settlements, or you can download a settlement report for a particular period. To view a summary of your settlements, click the View Summary button. This action directs you to the Summary View tab. To download a settlement report, click the Download Flat File button. The report gets downloaded in TXT or .txt format. The Select Date Range option enables you find settlements for a specific date range. You can also search for settlements that occurred in the past and download settlement reports for that time period. The Tabular form provides a summary of transactions for a specific period, such as settlement period, product charges total, promo rebates total, Amazon fees total, other total, deposit total, and actions. The Date Range Reports tab enables you to generate individual summary reports or transaction reports for a specific date range. To generate a summary report, click the Generate a Report button. In the Generate Data Range Report dialog box, select the Summary option. Then, click the Generate button. The summary report provides an overview of financial activity in your account during a specific date range. Similarly, you can generate a transaction report by selecting the Transaction option in the Generate Date Range Report dialog box. The transaction report provides a detailed list of the transactions that occurred in your account during a specific date range. The Statement View tab displays a summary of your account for a particular period. The Transaction View tab displays a summary of your account transactions since the last settlement period up until the prior day's close. The All Statements tab provides a link to your past settlement reports and a summary of each settlement. The Date Range Reports tab enables you to generate individual summary reports or transaction reports for a specific date range. View My Payments Reports is now complete. Happy selling!